What did you do? Oh God, that is Wyatt riding my new Honda CB without a clutch. Kind of the first ride. I'm scared of where it's going to pop out. Oh, I know where it's going to pop out. He apparently thinks it's an Enduro. Oh God. Doesn't sound bad. Still has no clutch though. It's also slightly cold. Don't stall it, don't stall it, don't stall it. Hasn't stalled it.
What a good game.
CB 750 like a boss, doing some off-road shit. What you know about that? Chase knows all about that. Give it the beans.